Let's see how to change font sizes in your Wix website. Changing font sizes in Wix allows you to customize the appearance of your text and improve readability. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to adjust font sizes in Wix. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser, and once you're in, go to the Wix editor and open the page where you want to modify the text. Click on the text box that contains the text you want to resize. Right-click, and a toolbar will appear above or beside the text box. Click on the font size drop-down menu and select the desired size. You can also manually type a custom font size in the input field to get the exact size you need. Once you've selected the font size, click outside the text box to apply the changes. And that's it. That's how you change font sizes in Wix. See you soon!